First, I start off by using a primer. I'm not going to show you it because my foundation destroyed it. So I apply the primer, and as you can see, I have shaved off my eyebrows. I know. I'm trying to do the really cool long eyebrow thing, so this is the first time we're trying it out. See how it goes. I'm so used to doing an arch all the time that this is super different, and this is the first time I'm also using black eyeliner. I mean black eyebrow pencil, because usually I use brown. Whew. New makeup experience for the both of us. Ooh, I kind of like it. It's really long and it's like above my eyebrow line. That's like really out of my comfort zone. Oh my gosh, I kind of like it. Now, as you can see, I am no stranger obviously to acne because I have acne all over my arms, and I'm not really afraid to say it because I don't have perfect skin. So it surprises me when people are like, oh, do a skin routine. I'm like, why? Have you seen my skin? It looks horrible. I just kind of apply it to the point where it hides marks on my face. Bronzing powder. That little knobby thing you keep seeing is actually the handle of my window. Clearly wanted to make an appearance. Oh my gosh, I look so masculine. I have to like be super like steady. So once I've done it, usually it looks like this. It's not perfect, but it's the best I could get it. I use a little highlighter called Kiko. So someone asked me this question. Hi, if you're watching, what gloss do I use? The gloss that I use is, the only gloss I actually have is by Rimmel London, and it is in shade 160. I don't know if you call it shade, and it's called Stay My Rose. So 160 Stay My Rose. That is the gloss that I use.